mean, we're amateurs at that, but I learned a few things from Webb over the years. Ground ball hit to second. Nice play on the run by Lee. And he'll get a good runner in Juan Brito for 3. Slow roller there, but nice play by Hao-Yu Lee.
Again, that was that cutter right there. Way out in front of it, weakly hit, easy out for the Mud Hens.
Yeah, absolutely, 100% easy out.
You see very few pitchers in today's game that can get by.
The runner in scoring position. Hao-Yu Lee at the plate. Denholm delivers, ground ball, and trying to go to third is Jones. He's in there, safe. As Tolentino flipped it to Wilson. Diving was Jahmai Jones. He was on the move on the crack of the bat.
Well, there's an adage in baseball, you never make the first out at third base. And that ball was hit to the left side of the infield. I think he should have held there, but sometimes better lucky than good. The Mud Hens have runners at the corner.
Young at the plate. First pitch to him is going to bounce away. And Hao-Yu Lee trying to advance. He's in. What a start. A wild pitch moves Lee into scoring position. There's nobody out. Hens at second and third.
Now this is an opportunity. Jace Jung has got to put the ball in play. See, they look in. They're going to play back the Columbus defense. They'll give up a run for an out.
Yeah, early in the ball game. On its way, and that's low. Ball 4. Well, here you go, Bruce. You get a double. A fielder's choice where the runner advances to third. A wild pitch, now a walk. And he got the bases loaded, first 3 guys aboard.
Absolutely, and we've got to return the favor to Columbus and put a crooked number up to start this game.
Yeah, you got that shot now. Now,
Gonna happen.
the 1-0. That one hit in the air to left. That's going to get down up against the wall. Bangs against the Great Clips sign in left. 2 runs are in, and the Mud Hens take an early 2-0 lead. Justin Henry Malloy with a 2-run double.
That's a great at-bat right there. He took the first pitch, got ahead. Denholm had to come in with a fastball. Henry Malloy made no mistake on that.
Now Justin Henry Malloy, and now we're going to get a conversation at the mound. This inning is gone double, fielder's choice, walk, double, 2 runs in, nobody out. What a way to start the ball game here in downtown Toledo.
And Matt, right now, if you're the...
Well, he stands back in, 2-2 pitch, and that one hit up the middle. Ranging behind the bag is Lee. Plenty of time to throw over to first. And so far, so good for Enns. He's had a couple of fly ball outs, a couple of ground ball outs in the 4 that he's collected.
Yep, going right at the batters, mixing up the strike zone real well. Look at this, he went right back, down low. And what I mean by using the strike zone well, Matt, he's been up, down, inside, and out, all within the strike zone. He's used.
And the 3-2 popped up on the infield. It'll be Hao-Yu Lee calling for it. Back to second base on the grass. He'll make the grab. And Columbus goes 1-2-3 here in inning number 3. As we head to the bottom of the third, it's Toledo in front, 3-0. This is Toledo Mud Hens baseball. Toledo Mud Hens, they'll be gone next week, but back the following week. Home game starting against Iowa on Tuesday, April the 8th. Of course, we'll have those for you. (1-0) coming up to Hao-Yu Lee. He's going to take up and in. Lee reached on a fielder's choice his first time up, advanced to second in a wild pitch, scored on the double by Justin Henry Malloy. The big hit in that first inning.
And Matt, this is a big inning. The Mud Hens need to extend this lead. They can't be comfortable. I know it's 3 runs.
See if they can add to it. 2-1 pitch to Lee. He's going to crack one in the air, but foul down the right field line. Very well. And the 2-2. Bouncer hit to third. Backhand grab there by Wilson. His throw in time. Got Lee by a step. 5-3, 1 up, 1 gone. The bottom of the third.
Gabe Alvarez, manager of the year last year in Erie.
Led his team to a title. Boy, would that be nice here for the summer of 2025.
Yes, it would.
today for him. He reached on a fielder's choice, scored a run, 0 for 2 today. He's also grounded out. That was back in the third. Facing a different pitcher this time in Mason Hickman, who rocks and delivers. First pitch swinging. It's driven in the air to center field. Martinez, long
head.
run. It's going to be over his head. That bumps up against the wall. Here comes a run. Hensley scores. Right behind him is Dunn. He scores as well. A 2-run double off the bat of Hao-Yu Lee.
Wow.
And the Mud Hens open up a 5-1 lead.
I tell you what, Matt, when that ball left the bat, I didn't think it was going to carry that far, but that just shows you the strength of Hao-Yu Lee. That ball landed just short of the 402 mark. Nice job. He stayed right on that, and the Mud Hens extend their lead.
105 miles an hour off the bat. That ball was delivered big time, and Andy Tracy out to make the change. As the Mud Hens get the add-on runs you've been calling for about 4 innings. And they finally get them on their 5th hit of the ball game. They get to Mason Hickman. Season.
Yep.
Baseball's a grind. We're on our way to 150 this year. As Jace Young stands at the plate, runner goes, going to third, and Hao-Yu Lee is in there with a stolen base.
He had a great jump off second. That was when he stole the base off the pitcher. The pitcher didn't hold him close, and he had a running lead from second.
So Hao-Yu Lee advances to third. He's there with only 1 out. Why is his first time up? 3-0 is high, and he's going to walk again. 4 straight pitches. You kind of feel like they were pitching around him a little bit there, Bruce.
Yeah, absolutely they were. And I think what you'll see, don't see the infield moving yet.
The 0-2 on its way, and
there
that one hit to right. That's a base hit. Justin Henry Malloy comes through with a single to right field. Scoring from third is Hao-Yu Lee. Make it a 6-1 ball game in favor of the Hens.
And Matt, that wasn't a professional at bat. And what I mean by that, when he got behind in the count, he didn't try to do too much. Just put the ball in play, flipped it to right field. And again, now the Hens have a 6-1 lead. They got to continue to stay greedy.
Well, they could keep going here.
Like to add on another run right here.
Would be a good spot for it. Swing and a foul. Back to the screen as Carver ready and delivers. Swing and a miss. Yeah, from Carver. Kicks and delivers. Swing and a miss. That ends the inning. But it's threatened with a 2-out double from Jahmai Jones. Hernandez trying to get through the 8th. And he will with a ground ball hit to second. Grabbing it there is Lee. His throw over to Malloy is in time for 3. And how about